How to fix DoorDash cannot create account in 2026. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and you can try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. If that doesn't work, make sure that you are using a valid email and phone number and make sure it's not already used for another account. Now, if you see this error trying logging in, if you see the error which says the email is already associated with an existing account, simply try logging in instead or use a different email or phone number. Your application might also have a pending update. Simply check your App Store or Play Store. You could also try clearing your cache if you're on an Android device by going to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, and Storage and simply clicking on Clear Cache. If the server is down, you can simply go ahead and check downdetector.com or their Twitter or X page to see if there is a server outage. If none of it works, simply go to help.doordash.com to contact support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.